In the ever-changing retail sector, businesses strive to deliver unique and memorable experiences for their customers. A personalized interface that reflects their brand identity and resonates with their target audience is essential in doing this. Shopify POS, the leading point-of-sale solution, recognizes the need for a personalized touch. The customizable interface of Shopify allows businesses to create a shopping experience that is totally aligned with their brand image, which boosts client engagement and supports a seamless transaction procedure. In this video, we'll discuss the significance and benefits of a customizable interface in Shopify POS. Branding's effectiveness, a distinct and consistent brand identity, is essential for attracting customers and differentiating a business from its competitors. The customizable interface of Shopify POS provides businesses with an excellent tool for adding their brand elements into every facet of the point-of-sale experience. Color schemes, typefaces, logos, and background visuals can all be customized by businesses to convey their own brand persona. Retailers may give a unified and engaging shopping experience to their customers by incorporating consistent brand elements throughout the interface. When a company's interface reflects its visual identity, customers feel more familiar and trustworthy with the brand. This, in turn, fosters brand loyalty and contributes to the development of a strong brand presence. Personalization improves the user experience. One-size-fits-all solutions usually fall short of fulfilling the diverse demands and preferences of retailers. Shopify POS solves this problem by offering a customizable interface that allows businesses to tailor their point-of-sale system to their specific requirements. Merchants may improve the user experience for both their employees and consumers by customizing the interface. Businesses may streamline their processes and increase efficiency by tailoring the interface, menus, and features to their workflows. Not only does this save time, but it also eliminates transaction errors, resulting in a more efficient checkout operation. Furthermore, organizations can prioritize the most critical information and actions on the screen thanks to the customized interface. Retailers should strategically place frequently used items, such as payment methods or promotions, in high-traffic areas for convenient access. This convenience increases staff productivity while decreasing training time for new workers. A customized interface benefits customers by providing a familiar and intuitive interface. A perception of coherence and professionalism is fostered through visual consistency and seamless integration of brand features. As a result, customers will be more satisfied and trusting of the brand. Aesthetics and emotional connectivity. Humans are drawn to visually appealing environments, and retail space is no exception. Customers' emotional attachment to a brand is heavily influenced by a company's aesthetics, both physical and digital. With Shopify POS's customized interface, retailers can create an aesthetically pleasing environment that resonates with their target audience. Businesses can use visually appealing graphics, enticing designs, and appealing color schemes to elicit specific emotions and improve the overall shopping experience. To create a sense of elegance and exclusivity, a high-end designer business, for example, can customize the interface with luxurious graphics, excellent typefaces, and a streamlined color palette. A vibrant and engaging interface with bright colors and amusing visuals, on the other hand, would be more appropriate for a toy store. By aligning the interface with their brand's desired emotional appeal, retailers may create a captivating atmosphere that captivates and engages customers. This emotional connection leaves a lasting impact and increases brand recall, enticing customers to return to the store and become loyal customers.